People think that plastic surgeon and cosmetic surgeon is the same thing. No, a cosmetic surgeon is not necessarily a plastic surgeon. But if a plastic surgeon who's a super specialist does and focuses his practice entirely into aesthetic or cosmetic, then he is also a plastic and a cosmetic surgeon. He's definitely more qualified than what an ordinary cosmetic surgeon can be. Of course, that's one of the biggest myths that is what is asked to me, and that I think everybody should be educated about. Second thing, people often think that plastic surgery or cosmetic surgery is only for the wealthy and for celebrities. No, a layman, a common man can get it done. Today, everybody can afford plastic surgery or cosmetic surgery. Definitely, it is a little expensive, but if you want to enhance your looks and beauty, or you want to repair something, then I don't think the cost that you pay, and it's a one-time cost that you're going to be investing into yourself, into your own well-being, into your own body, and into your own emotional needs and feeling good about yourself. So of course, if you go to see that way, it is not a very expensive procedure. Thirdly, of course, they think it's only for women, and that's a very big myth. Around 50% of the patients who come to this clinic are men. Women, of course, are generally more vain, but it's not true anymore, because men also are very, very conscious about their looks, especially about their baldness, or if they're looking a little older, if they have a lot of wrinkles or saggy skin, or they have a lot of acne marks or pigmentation, they're very, very conscious about themselves. So plastic surgery is definitely for everyone. Another thing, people think that plastic surgery means there's involvement of no scars. It's completely wrong. A plastic surgeon or a cosmetic surgeon who's basically a trained plastic surgeon, he knows how to place the cuts or the incision in such a manner, and to suture it or to repair them in such a manner that the incisions are barely visible over time. Every time you cut the body or you stitch the body, you're always going to have some scar. But as a super specialist, we are trained to know where to place them, how to suture them, and make sure that they are barely or practically not visible to anybody. Another myth, there's, or should I call it a social stigma, there's a lot of stigma involved around plastic or cosmetic surgery. If you go and see Hollywood today, people are very open about what are procedures they do. They advertise it, they speak about it openly, they actually encourage other people to do it also. And I think we see that trend coming to India also. So there should not be any social stigma. If you want, today you go to a parlor to get your hair done, or to get your nails done, or to get a good makeup done, there's no stigma about it. So why do you have a stigma when you want to enhance your form or your beauty? If God has not given you the perfectly shaped body, love handles, or small breasts, and you want to enhance it and make it better, why not? There should not be any social stigma for plastic or cosmetic surgery. People should be very open about it, because today it is available easily, it's affordable, and it's available to everybody. Another thing, people think that people who go for plastic or cosmetic surgery are normally psychologically disturbed, or they have some psychological problems or imbalance. That's not true. Looking good and feeling good is something that anybody can want and should want, and there is no other psychological problem here. And if you want to get a surgical procedure done, then why not? You have the full right to do this. Nobody can stop you from looking and feeling good about yourself. So it's not a stigma, and definitely they're not psychologically imbalanced. In fact, they're doing it to enhance themselves and to feel more confident.